Hey everybody, it's Miss Steely, and we are working on Friday's reading packet. So if you've noticed, you should have a Friday up in your right hand corner. And Friday we're going to be reading Shark Attacks Are Rare. Now you're going to need pink, either a highlighter or marker or crayon, it doesn't matter. If you need to use a different color, that's okay too. You'll also need your pencil. This is Friday, so we are going to let you do the questions for this more independently. If you need further assistance, please go back to Wednesday's video for a walkthrough step by step on answering these questions. I'm going to read through the story and then I will read through the questions for you. If you need to press pause at any time, you may, and work. I will be reading this all the way through for you though. So, shark attacks are rare. Paragraph A. Have you ever heard of someone being attacked by a shark? It sounds very scary. Luckily, you don't have to be afraid to go into the water. Shark attacks are very rare. The chances that you will ever be attacked by a shark are less than 1 in 11 million. That means that you really can swim in the ocean without fear. Paragraph B. Most of the time, shark attacks are mistakes. If the water is murky or dirty, a shark may not be able to see you very well. A lot of waves also make it hard for a shark to see what you are. During early mornings and late evenings, the water is still dark. Your shadow in the dark water may look like food, which leads the shark to attack. Paragraph C. Sharks eat seals. When the sharks see a lot of seals in the water, they swim towards them. If you see seals in the water, stay out of the water. Seals are beautiful and fun animals. Just remember, they are also shark food. Don't get too close. A shark may mistake you for a seal, which is bad news for you. Paragraph D. As a result of pollution, sometimes a shark becomes poisoned. The poison can dull and weaken the shark's senses. Because poison makes it harder to see, smell, and hear, a shark may want to touch or taste. I know I don't want a shark to touch or taste me. Paragraph E. Sharks don't want to attack you. They even try to warn you if you get too close. Humans can't always see sharks swimming deep below the water. Sharks make warning moves and sounds. They let other animals know that they are too close to their play areas. They are warning them not to get closer. Next time you are in the ocean, enjoy yourself, but always pay attention. If you see any warning signs, you should be extra cautious and aware. Question 1. Write 1 to 3 words that describe the main topic of the text. Remember to hit pause if you need additional time to work on any of these questions. Question 2. Write 1 sentence that tells the main idea of the text. Remember, your sentence stem is included for you. Number 3. Underline a sentence in the text that supports the main idea and explain how this sentence supports the main idea. Remember, again, your sentence stem is right there in the question. Number 4. Write 1 word to summarize each of the following paragraphs. You'll need to go back to paragraph B, C, D, and E. Remember to find the most important words that you feel best describe that paragraph. Number 5. What are some things you can do to avoid a shark attack? Again, your sentence stem is at the end of your sentence, of the end of your question. To avoid a shark attack, I would do what? Number 6. Write 3 questions in which the answer could be found in the text. I'm going to number my lines, and that is how many questions we need to write. Remember, use capital letters and appropriate punctuation. And your big hint right here is the word question, so it should end with a question mark. Very good. Number 7. Find murky in the text and use the context clues to explain what the word means. Circle the words in the text that are clues to the meaning of the word. So go back and find your word murky. Remember to read the sentence in front of and behind of, and see if you can't find your clues. Circle your clues in the text, and then define murky. Murky means what? For author's purpose, question number 8. Do you think the author wrote this text mostly to explain something, describe something, or answer a question? Remember, whichever box you check, to circle the corresponding word, and then answer the question in a complete sentence. You will need your pink for this today. Color the reason the author gives for why we should not be scared of sharks when swimming in the ocean. When you have found your answer, make sure you either put a check mark or color in your pink highlighter. Describe how the reason supports the point the author is trying to make. Remember to answer the question in a complete sentence. Make sure it makes sense, and use evidence from the text if possible. Congratulations, guys. You've been doing an awesome job, and I just want to thank each and every one of you for working so hard. And moms and dads, thank you for all your help and support. And grandmas and grannies and aunts and uncles. We've got all kinds of family stepping up and helping. We hope you have a wonderful weekend and enjoy the beautiful weather. Thank you. Have a good night.